everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna be showing you how you can easily change your username on CoinStats accounts. Changing a username on CoinStats is a straightforward process, so without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. Start off by open a web browser. In the URL box, type in coinstats.app and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official site for CoinStats. If you are not signed in already, make sure to log into your account by entering your account's correct credential. After you are signed in, click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner, which will then bring up this pop-up. Click your username in the pop-up and then you'll be able to see the personal data tab on the next page. Scroll down where it says username and enter the new username you'd like to set for your account. After you are done entering the username, click on save, which will then change your username right away. So that's how you can easily change your username on CoinStats account. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.